iPulse cases for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to iPulse for sending these over for review. So let's dive right in. Now this should be a leather wallet case, and that's what it looks like. And here it is. Put this to the side for now and take a look at this letter. Thank you letter here from iPulse. So if you want, pause the video, read that if you want. There you go. Put that to the side, and this is the case itself. And woo, nice leather, nice and plush. Let me smell it. Ooh. Oh, that smells good. Nice. Woo. Okay, let's check this out real quick. Magnetic clasp right here. Opening the case up. On the left side is where we put all your cards. Identification here on the first slot. And you have two more for you to use. Get this foam out of here. And rat poison. Put that to the side. And on the right side is essentially a TPU case. It's glued together right there. Cutouts, volume rocker and Bixby. On the bottom, headphone jack, your Type-C, speaker, another mic. Cutout for your power. On top, cutout for your mic. And on the back of the case, cutout for your dual cameras, fingerprint scanner, and flash. And inside here, nice and soft. Let's go ahead and put the device in the case and check it out. This is how it's gonna look like. Close it up. Your device is nice and protected inside. You have your cutout in the back, obviously, for your cameras and fingerprint scanner. There you go. Works as it should. Cutouts. Check that out. Perfect. Cutout for your power. Perfect again. On top, cutout for your mic. There you go. This is the overall very nice case. If you want to maintain that executive look at work, or if you're going out on a date or some event like that, rock this case. You take it out of your pocket or your bag, open it up, start using your phone. Look like a baller. The cutouts are wide open, so the power, yeah, no issues with the power. Should not be a problem. Buttons, easy to access, as you can see. Not a problem at all. And Bixby, you press the button, there goes Bixby, and do that again. But I'm gonna get out of it because nobody uses Bixby anyway. So if you happen to mishandle your case with it open like this and it drops, you do have a little bit of a front lip in the front here, okay? So there should be some protection in that regard. Overall, you're gonna have it like this. Closed up, your device is well protected in the case. On to the next one. And I believe this is the same case essentially, just in a different color. And let's check this one out. Ooh, nice. Smell this one too. Oh man. Woo. Open it up. Yep, same thing as the other one. Foam, rat poison. Put that to the side. Cards on the left side. You have a TPU case that's attached to the leather. Okay, same thing as the other one. Cutouts, cutouts. This is in their tan leather. Now this one has a little bit of a shine to it. See that? A little bit more reflective of the light. So you can see right there. Flip it over. So you can see it has a little more of a gloss to it compared to the black, a little bit more of a matte finish on the leather. This is my black one, and let's just put it in. You can also use this case as a kickstand. Go like this. You can go ahead and watch your media while you're out and about. And you can kind of do it like, yep, you can do it like this too if you want. You're using your phone in this case. Slam the door down. The clasp will come together every time. Do that again. Using your phone, whatever. Close it. Comes together every time. Now between the two, which one would I choose? I don't really know. They both look really good. Matte black leather. Tan leather, a little bit for gloss to it. Can't go wrong with either one. Both are nice and professional looking. If you're interested, I'll go ahead and put links down below. Overall, very nice looking cases for your Galaxy S9 Plus. Thanks for watching. Peace out.